Did you know you're bombarded with lies every single day? From small white lies to huge deceptions, it's everywhere. But what if you could catch those lies or actually identify if someone is lying to you? Today, we're unlocking 10 scientifically proven signs of lying. Prepare to decode the subtle tells of dishonesty. First up, verbal red flags liars often reveal. Watch out for overly formal language and non-denial denials. Notice those tense shifts and excessive, unnecessary details. Liars often repeat questions to buy time. Now, let's decode body language, where the truth often leaks. A frozen upper body can signal deception. Face touching is a subconscious cover-up. Forget the eye movement myth. Rapid blinking is key. Feet pointing towards an escape route speak volumes. And don't miss those fleeting micro-expressions. We're wired to believe, making us easy targets. Use these signs to ask better questions, not make assumptions. Time and patterns are your greatest lie detectors. Which sign surprised you most? Share your lie-spotting experiences in the comments below.